Like this.
Go get the spatula.
Go get the spatula.
She cooks all the time with that.
Oh my God. You bite me.
Aww. Here, I'll distract him on this side.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll record you. What bird? Oh! Shit. Okay, birdie, you're gonna live. Just gotta flip you over. Ah.
I don't think he wants to be flipped over.
I don't think he wants his head underneath his body like that.
Go from the butt.
There, now it's better.
Yeah, go from
the butt and scoop him onto the thing.
You guys and your ideas, you give it a shot.
If you would just...
Here, I'll move. Just flip it.
You just wanted to flip? Why?
Because then he'll be on his feet. Then it could stretch its wings out. Or something.
Yeah, you think it's just stuck on its butt?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
Where's the stick?
Ooh, there's stuff behind you. What is that? Oh, it's like a thong thing. Perfect.
Yeah, try rolling it over. Oh, wait.
Oh, baby. Oh.
Oh, shit.
Look how minor it's going.
He went back on his back.
Go around it.
He's in the shade now. Let's just leave him here. I think he'll be alright.
Yeah. He's like, I can move once I'm on my